This is my Sony Compact XZ1. It's a 9-year-old mobile phone. It's a very small one. It's only 4.6 inch, and well, you can't find these small phones anymore. Unfortunately, the bank app forced me to buy a new one because the bank app has needed Android 11 and this one has Android 9. Fortunately, I was able to install a new open source software system, and it's called lineageOS, in this case 21, and it emulates Android 14. And this means that all my apps work again. This is my bank app, the DigiD works, it's fast as ever, it's very efficient with the battery, so I think it's an amazing upgrade. I will show you how I did this. To be able to install a new system on your mobile phone, first you have to need the platform tools. You type in platform tools, it brings you to this website. You download SDK platform tools for Windows. It's from the Android developers. Secondly, find your LineageOS. You find the website. This is the website. You have your devices. Here you can select your mobile phone and download the necessary software from the LineageOS. If your mobile phone is too old, search for XDA forum. This is the forum. They also have software for older phones. Download it from there. I used XDA forum because my telephone is too old. In the end, search for TWRP. You get to this site and you need that. It's an interface tool. Download it and put it all in one directory, like this. It is platform tools, ADP, fastboot. This is your LineageOS software. Here's your TWRP. And then you go to ChatGPT or another AI tool. Say, hey, I want to update my mobile phone, and it will guide you through the whole process. It worked fine for me. It was a great help. So I think even if you don't know anything about these kind of systems, you can upgrade your telephone if necessary. Good luck.